Hello and welcome to the 1Bundle review. This is Akin here, and in this review I'll be showing you what the 1Bundle is all about, and also most importantly I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with the 1Bundle. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. The 1Bundle goes live on the 21st of September by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a collection of cloud-based software, a bundle of software that actually allows you to do different things. So the 1Bundle allows you attempts to solve all the problems that you need to solve when it comes to digital marketing and making money online. It provides all those solutions. Like if you need to have a website up and running, you get access to the host ZPresso that allows you to host your website without you having to pay monthly or annual fees. Also, if you need storage, you get access to the Drive ZPresso, and this gives you access to storage where you can actually upload your files, videos, images, you name it, whatever you want to store, you get access to store that, to upload your files and actually store these using the Drive ZPresso cloud-based software. You also get access to Mail ZPresso, which is also a software. This is an autoresponder that allows you to actually set up your emails, manage your list, build your list and stuff like that. And also you get access to the funnel ZPresso. This basically allows you to create your landing pages, your funnels, allows you to build your list and stuff like that. So in total, actually you're going to be getting access to up to 5 products that have been launched individually. You're going to be getting access to all these products in a bundle. You also get access to the graphics ZPresso that also allows you to do graphics design and stuff like that. So this attempt to actually provide all these services for you without you having to pay monthly fees for any of these services, which is actually cool. Now I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I'm giving away in addition to the 1Bundle, and also I've actually briefly shown you what this is all about. So the first bonus I'm going to be giving away is my recently launched traffic software. This is a cloud-based software, and this allows you to drive a ton of free traffic to any link, any affiliate offer, or wherever it is you want to send traffic to. So this gives you access to use even other people's assets, use other people's video legally, and then you don't need to create your own content. And then this allows you to place some elements at any point within these videos, at the beginning, in the middle of these videos and all that. You can actually add custom forms even in the middle of these videos to engage with people. You can add images. You also get access to done for you buttons, call to action buttons and stuff like that, which allow you to ultimately drive instant traffic to any link without you having to create content at all. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing without paying monthly fees. Now, if you have a WordPress website and you are not doing email marketing from your WordPress website, managing your list, sending out promotional emails, then you're probably paying too much for your hosting, because I'm going to be showing you how to do this. Now, you would not need to get an autoresponder anymore. You wouldn't need Aweber, you wouldn't need GetResponse, because I'll be showing you how to do email marketing right from inside of your WordPress website. And that's what my bonus number 2 is about. I'm going to be showing you how to do this inside a video. Also, bonus number 3, we are still talking about traffic right now, because this seems to be the problem, especially with newbies, people actually coming in to affiliate marketing, trying to make some money for themselves. But traffic is always an issue. But I'm giving you bonuses that actually allow you to get a ton of free buyer traffic without you having to pay for this. So Equinox is a cloud-based software that allows you to actually find high authority YouTube channels. Now, the cool thing about this is you are going to be able to use this traffic coming from these channels. Now, most of the videos you'll be able to find using the Equinox Pro have expired links in their descriptions. Now, people are still viewing these videos. These videos are still getting a ton of views every single day. People are clicking on the links in these descriptions. They're actually taking people nowhere. Now, you are going to be able to get access to these videos, find them, hijack these links, and then you can actually start sending this traffic to wherever it is. You can actually redirect these. You can start directing this traffic to your own affiliate links or wherever it is you want to send this high quality traffic to, without you having to try to build authority by yourself, which would normally take you years to do. So Equinox allows you to do that. You are going to be getting access to the Pro version. Now, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to my recently launched software. This is the Pro version of Octagon, and this gives you access to Done For You, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus product reviews. Now, what you need to do with this is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username, and then you can come and add it to your profile on Octagon Pro. Once you do that, all the Done For You ClickBank product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. This also comes with free traffic, and you can start sending some high quality free traffic to your campaigns for conversions, for sales. You're also going to be getting access to video training where I'm going to be showing you how to easily drive some high quality free buyer traffic to any affiliate offer. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to another software that gives you access to Done For You affiliate marketing squeeze page templates. Now, you are going to be able to build curiosity with these Done For You templates. These are proven to convert. You don't need to do any work. All you need to do is go and get your affiliate link, slap this in, create unlimited campaigns, and you also get access to training where you find out how to start driving unlimited high quality free traffic to start making sales with this template. Now, you'll also be getting access to video that shows you how to easily make upwards of $100 per day using simple methods that allow you to make money with affiliates, with free traffic using affiliate marketing. Also, bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. What you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these, red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of the 1Bundle, where you'll be able to pick up the 1Bundle, and where you're going to be getting full information about the collection of cloud-based software. So your bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your purchase receipt in your members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log in, all you need to do is go to your purchases. You will see the 1Bundle, and then you see my own bonuses right next to it. So here on the sales page, here it says stop paying monthly recurring fees to autoresponder, cloud drive, graphics, webinars, funnel builder, who owed you and your data hostage for monthly fees that never end. Now you can have everything you need: world-class autoresponder, storage, cloud hosting, graphics, webinars, and even funnel page design without having to pay out thousands every month. So come check out this sales page in your own time, because there's actually a ton of information right here on this sales page. So this also gives you information of what you are going to be getting. You are also going to be getting access to this, which is Meet Z Presso, that allows you to create video meetings, run webinars, and stuff like that. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about this. Now I'm going to be showing you the pricing for the 1Bundle. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of $22, and this gives you access to all these cloud-based software. Now there are some optional upgrades. The first one is the OTO. The OTO one is the ibundle Pro that goes for $197. The second one is the Limitless Edition that goes for $197 also. The third is the Effortless Edition that goes for $47. You have the Endless Leads that goes for $97. You have the 1000x Profit Template that goes for $47. You also have the Franchisee Edition that goes for $147. So that's going to be my review for the 1Bundle. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.